Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to look at one of my many orders from DEK Designs. This is the latest one to show up on my doorstep, and I've got some pretty cool stuff in here. So this is the usual packaging that you get with the holographic thank you sticker, which is adorable, but I have lots of them. And my favorite thing, the paper clips with the ribbon. And this one, which I think, yeah, that'll focus, is gold with white hearts. The last one I got was silver with white hearts, but that's in one of my planners, so I can't show you that right now. Put that in the recycling pile. I have shown you guys before this sticker book that I got from DEK Designs. It comes with a sheet of, where is it? I just had it before. I'll show you anyway. It comes with like a sheet of stickers so you can label the front. So mine is just like a mishmash of everything, so I put functional and decorative on the front. There are more word stickers here somewhere. Anyway, I love this thing. So I ordered a second one. So it's the same. See, here's the stickers I'm talking about. So these peel off so you can like make it for specific things, or you don't have to put a sticker on it at all, but it's all sticker paper and, or, you know, backing, and it's double-sided. And I love Rongrong's because it's, you know, big, but the sticker's side is only on one side, and I don't understand why she did that. I also don't understand why mine's upside down, but, you know, things happen. It's all good. So, alright, so we also got that. Now onto the sticker kits. Oh, and I can put this in the trash now, too. They are going Happy Planner purple now and then. I think I got one last video, or the video before. I think it was my mystery kit. It was like orange. Okay, so we've got the usual sticker sheet that you get. This one's got pink foil, and it's on this pretty rose background paper. So those come out pretty cool. I don't want to pull it too much because you know me, I'll never get it back on there. Okay, and then they're still doing the thank you for waiting for your late order stickers. So these have green foil leaves. I don't remember if I already have ones with green foil leaves or not. I might. Or I just knew these were there and have been thinking about them. I'm not sure. Okay, so now we've got sticker kits. So let's start with, let me put those out of the way. This is called Lovely. And this was, let me see. Where is it on here? Okay, so this was a Hump Day Happy Mail special, which is when you spend $22 before discount, you get a kit for free. And this was the free kit in, let's see, on December 29th. This is the last December order, by the way. The other two that I have already sitting here, and there are more already shipped, are from January, so it's just catching up really fast. Alright, so we've got these decorative boxes. You know how I feel about people, so I really only get 6 boxes instead of 8. So, well, oh well. And then the day covers, the little deco boxes, and this washi is really pretty. Really, really pretty. This is rose gold foil, by the way, in case I didn't mention that. That's really pretty. And this is the old style day covers. And the date dots. And the flags up here. There are 5 of them. They have pictures and sparkles. Scalloped headers, half circles, scalloped head half boxes, bow headers or dividers, however you want to use them, work stickers, and then all this really pretty pink decorative stuff. Like if you like pink like I do, like this kit's fantastic. So there's like a purse and some perfume, pens, cookies, planner, all kinds of good stuff in here. And then this is the sheet of all boxes. So you got headers, half boxes, decorative boxes, quarter boxes, habit trackers, and some more headers with sparkle on them. They are really, really pretty. Okay, and then we've got our headers. So we've got today, to do, meals, exercise, work this week. All these sparkled headers, weekend banner in rose gold, 5 3-heart checklists. Let's try not to ruin it. 3 two-tone foiled flags, and the scallop, which I haven't really been using with this as much lately. I've been using it in other places just because it looks cool. And then we've got the 6 3-heart checklists, the 1 5-heart checklist, the clipboard, the Monday through Sunday, and all the words down here. I'm going to go through them once, and then I'm not going to read them again for the rest of this video because we spend too much time doing this. Payday, plan, errands, laundry, tidy up, Target run, which I actually did today, shopping list, hump day, movie night, Walmart, social media, and happy mail. And you've got the 3 boxes with the 2 foil lines down here. Okay, so that is lovely, which is in fact lovely. And then the next kit you have actually already seen, because I told you I accidentally bought 2, and I wasn't kidding, I accidentally bought 2. This one is in silver foil. I don't think it's silver sparkle, I think it's just silver foil. So this is Book Cafe. So these are the decorative boxes. This looks really cool. The day covers, the decos, the really cool washi. People. These people are already in the current giveaway. The current giveaway with people, I have closed it. So I'm going to be doing the giveaway. I just have to set up the website thing, and then we're going to do details about the giveaway probably in... I've got 3 videos to shoot, so either the 2nd or the 3rd haul video will have details for that giveaway. Date dots. Like I said, people will start the next people giveaway because they just never seem to stop coming. You got your flags, headers, scallops, work stickers. This is a really cute deco with all these books. I really love this typewriter. All the boxes, they look really cool with the foil. The headers, today to do, this week, meals, exercise, work, all the glitter, 5 3-heart checklists, weekend banner, big scallop, 2-tone flags. I have to get better about making sure I'm in the thing because I moved the camera, it wasn't straight, and now I think stuff's not getting in there. Okay, so then you got your 6 3-heart checklists, 2 clipboards. Wait, are these 3 hearts? These are all 3 hearts? These are all 3 hearts. Okay. I think I was confused about this last time, too. 2 clipboards, Monday through Sunday, habit trackers, and the words that we already went over in silver foil. So that is Book Cafe. And then I got some mini kits. So mini kits are literally mini kits. They are 2 sheets. So you get your day covers, your washi, the little decorative elements, your full boxes, and a couple of headers. And these are a good option if you just want like certain, you know, this is like all you want and then you want to throw in your own stuff, or you don't use a whole lot of stickers. And these are really affordable too, even when they're foiled. So this is for the autumn. I got this because Elise from Plan with Elise, she likes to do Planner Pinktober. So I was hard pressed to come up with pink stuff in October. Thank God for Live Love Posh, but this will help, and I've got some more stuff that I think it shipped, or it's about to ship. I think it's the next thing that's going to ship. That will also be for next October, so we'll be all set for that. So that's this mini kit. It's called Pink Autumn. I don't remember if it's still on the website or not. Speaking of things on the website, I put a story and a post and a highlight on Instagram, but in case you did not see it, a lot of stuff has left the shop, the older stuff, not all of it, but a lot of it, and they're going to start rotating things out every 2 weeks. So if you see something you like, go get it, because there were things I wanted that are gone now. So I'm, you know, a little upset about that. So anyway, this is also a mini kit. This is called Believe. I'm going to see if I can get this to work with my faith planner, but there's also a full kit for this, which I found hiding on the website when I was placing my order for Wednesday. And there's a full kit, so I grabbed that. That was hiding. It was not in a normal place where I would have thought to look for it. Go to, if you want a full kit or just want to look at the full kit for this, it's called Believe. It's really pretty. It's rose gold. Go to the section where they have like the monthly overviews and go all the way to the bottom, and it's hiding at the bottom. unless they realized they made a mistake when I ordered it and took it away. But if you watch this and go there quickly, it might still be there. I don't know. But anyway, this is really cute. You know, there's people again, but it's really cute. And then this one is called Cozy Morning. I did not get foil on this, so this is a mini kit with no foil, and it's very, very pink, which is fine. It's got a cute cat. It's not the same color as my cat, but it's a cute cat. So this is called Cozy Morning, and it's the same thing. You've got full boxes, headers, day covers, a couple of deco boxes, and the washi. So if you don't do a whole lot of decorating, or if you just want like some accent stuff and then you want to put your own other things in there, you can totally do that with these. So that these are a good option. And then this one is called Cozy Farmhouse. I feel like I have or ordered like a larger version of this, possibly with foil. I'm not 100% sure though. It's probably, excuse me, it's most likely ordered, because I don't think I have it. Yeah, I don't have it. So it's either ordered or I'm just thinking of this, but I'm pretty sure there's a bigger kit for this. Anyway, I'll figure it out. In the meantime, here's this one. It's called Cozy Farmhouse. It reminds me of Farmhouse from Happy Planner. So it's got like the dishes with the words on it, the old truck. You know, these all look like Ray Dunn mugs and things here. It's got a KitchenAid. Bag hanging on a door. Boots. Home Sweet Farmhouse. And then the really cute washi, deco squares, and the day covers. And that was everything in this order. So you've got lots of mini kits, which I don't normally get. Actually, I think when I placed this order, it was the first time I had actually seen them. I think I've had them come in other orders, but I didn't realize it was a mini kit. Let's see. And then we've got Book Cafe, which technically you already saw. We've got Lovely. Got our thank you stickers. And that. And this comes with every order. And my reusable sticker book, which I'm super excited about. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.